Welcome to Small Talk Daily for Wednesday, February 4th, 2009. This morning I thought I'd go through a little bit on dialog boxes in VisualWorks. I had a question come up in the IRC channel a few days ago and I thought I'd answer it with a screencast. What I've got here is a little simple UI. If I hit edit on this and bring this over to where you can see it, I've got a simple little UI and it's got a button and an input field. The idea is you hit the button, dialog box comes up, prompts you for input. If you hit OK, puts it in here, hit cancel, puts some default text there. Nothing terribly exciting. The idea is to show you how this interacts, not a useful application. To take a look at the dialog, a couple of important things to notice. Let's go over here to the source, the definition rather. It's subclass from simple dialog. So when I went over here to this and hit edit, and I installed this, so here's our little dialog. I've got this OK button, and over here this has got accept as its action, and the cancel button has got cancel as its action. This is what you want to do with dialog boxes. You want to make sure that your accept action is tied to accept, your cancel action is tied to cancel, and then just make sure it's a subclass of simple dialog. So then, once you do that, all you really have to do is open this up. If I do a do it, now if I go press this, I get my dialog, some text. Here, if I hit OK, it slides in there. If I press it and say no text here, and I hit cancel, notice it doesn't update it, except with this nothing entered. Let's take a look at the code and see how that works. Go over here, go back to test UI, go to the press here button. So I create my dialog box with a new method, and then I tell it its input field has a default value of default input. Notice I send value : to set that. Then I send open to the dialog. Once I've sent open to the dialog, I then just wait. It's going to come back with true or false depending on whether I hit accept or return or escape or press the cancel button. And if it's true, meaning accept or return was hit, then I toss what was ever in there into the input field I have. Otherwise, I just toss this in. So that's how dialogs work in Syncom Smalltalk. Is a dialog opens up, you will get back the true or false depending on what you did with the dialog box. And that's really all there is to it. So until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.